Okay, what's up, guys? We're ready. Whoa, no, that's not good at all. Ready to go on stage soon, and this is the guys.
Hi, preps.
See people over there. Say hi. Say hi.
It's not on me. Hi.
Yeah. Say hi.
Come on, Lord, do something.
Yeah. So we're just taking photos. Just the guys from my band. These are the guys
you get
from.
the world's best.
Yeah.
Hey, this is the
You get
so,
So say what's up. Yeah. What up, John? So, hey. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Israel Hochin of Hawaii.
what's up, man? Working it down.
Yeah. This brother Koko. Say something to the people, Koko.
Who we talking to?
Just anybody.
What's up, man? God is good, man. Continue to surrender your life to Him. All is well. And one day, you look like this dude. Bless.
I don't know if that's black. I don't know. This is brother Puluke. What up, mana? Bro, say something to the brother Henry. Someone representing Wamanalo. And then, last but not least, ladies and gentlemen. What is your name again? This is my man right here. See, this is what we watch. What are we watching here?
Something from Japan.
Something from Japan.
Yes.
This is brother Salani. This is, yeah, so we're gonna go on stage in a little bit. I have this huge puka in my shirt. I don't know. I don't like to show you guys. Yeah, we're gonna be going on soon. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! So yeah, we're going on soon. Peace. I'll see you guys in a little bit.